Nexus International School, Singapore. We offer a comprehensive swim program that provides a scholarship initiative designed for high-achieving athletes. We do offer a wide range of experiences to support the development of our swimmers. One of these experiences is the Klim Swim Clinic. We believe that this opportunity will let our swimmers have an insight into the life of an elite athlete and what it takes to succeed at the highest level.
The facilities here are amazing. You know, the provision for the swimmers, it's quite good. You know, it's one of the best school pools that I've ever come across, especially here in Singapore.
I was very encouraged to see the skill level of the Nexus swimmers. I told them at the clinic they're very well coached. And so that's going to put them ahead of the competition. Skills are things that you can work on throughout your whole career, but if they set up early as a young swimmer, they can really be established and carry you through to the next level. And these guys are incredible.
The coolest thing about the Klim Swim Clinic was to get that opportunity to actually be coached by a current world record holder. And that is an opportunity that you don't really get on a daily basis. In our squad, we often do those skills, but it's just great for our learners to actually hear it from a different perspective, different people who've been there and done it in the highest of level.
I think the most informative and beneficial part of the clinic can be split into two sections. One is like the more technical stuff like rhythm, range, and relaxation for the strokes, something to focus on at all times, as well as maintaining your velocity throughout the water, so focusing on all the skills, but also like the more holistic approach, like everyone has ups and downs, good and bad seasons, and it's just like important to focus on the goals that you aim towards to successfully accomplish every training session day in, day out.
I think my main takeaway will be that swimming harder doesn't necessarily mean faster. So especially for the days where I'm feeling tired or especially fatigued, I just need to remember to focus on my skills instead of looking at how fast I'm going and how hard I'm training.
For me, in the future, I like to compete on the national level for France in big meets such as World Champs, maybe even the Olympics if I can go as far as that.
I think my key piece of advice would be to maintain consistency. I think we've got great facilities here, great coaching, and I think they've obviously already got a very high level of skill, but the consistency for the years to come is going to be their crucial point. I think through the tough times, through the highs and lows, I think it's just got to keep going and keep pushing.
My encouragement to them is keep doing what you're doing, keep learning, keep growing, and just keep being inquisitive. Ask questions and set goals, and I want to see them get to the next level.
I think that the guys apply themselves and obviously follow their dreams and do the best that they can, and anything is achievable in life.